Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to change voice settings on Microsoft Copilot application. For that, first of all, make sure that you have latest version of Microsoft Copilot available in your device. Once you check that, simply hit on the application to open it. Once you open the application, tap on the three lines on the top left corner of your screen. Now, tap on the profile icon which is on the top right corner of your screen. Once you open it, you will see Settings homepage of Microsoft Copilot application. There, on the third, you'll see Voice Settings option. Go through it. Now, from here, you can adjust the voice settings of Microsoft Copilot. You can change the voice styling. There are various styles like rain, grove, wave, and more. You can also change the speed of voice. If you set the speed to 0.8x, it will be the slowest voice speed available. If you set it to 1.5x, it will be the fastest. So, in this way, you can easily change the voice settings in Microsoft Copilot. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.